Hello students, welcome to banking classes.
Dear students, in the previous video we have discussed the recurring deposits. आज बेटा हम लोग बात करेंगे current accounts. बेटा current accounts is primarily meant for businessmen, firms, companies and public enterprises that undertake numerous banking transactions. Daily current accounts are check opened accounts which are meant neither for the purpose of earning interest nor for the purpose of saving but only for convenience of business. मुझे लगता है बेटा it is self explanatory. Hence they are non interest bearing account. In a current account a customer can deposit any amount of money any number of times. He can also withdraw any amount as many times as he wants so long as he has funds to his credit. बेटा मैं बता दूं all these facilities are not included in saving account. Generally a higher minimum balance as compared to the saving account is required to be maintained in current account. तो बेटा current account और saving account में difference क्या है कि current account में आपको higher balance चाहिए और saving account में balance ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. Now students, as per RBI directives, banks are not allowed to pay any interest on the balances maintained in the current accounts. However, in case of death of the account holder, his legal heirs, maybe wife और उसके बच्चे, are paid interest at the rates applicable to saving bank deposits from the date of death till the date of settlement. Because of the large number of transactions in the account and volatile nature of balance maintained, banks usually levy certain service charges for operating a current account. तो बेटा आपको ये याद रखना है कि इस करंट अकाउंट को मेंटेन करने के लिए बिजनेसमैन हैज टू पे सर्विस चार्ज टू द बैंक एज पर द RBI directives. Now students, features of current accounts. The main objective of current account holders in opening these accounts is to enable them to conduct their business transactions smoothly. मतलब उनको कभी भी liquidity की problem ना रहे. There are no restrictions on the number of times deposit in cash, checks can be made or the amount of such deposits. Usually banks do not pay any interest on current accounts. The current accounts do not have any fixed maturity as these are on running accounts. Now beta, we have another type of accounts, that is overdraft facility. A bank may extend credit up to a maximum amount called overdraft limit against a current account. Customer can write checks or make withdrawal from his account. तो बेटा मैं कह रहा हूँ कि overdraft facility, it is a facility given by the bank to its customer. The most common form of business borrowing is an overdraft. It is a type of revolving loan wherein funds are available as to when required. Interest is charged only on the daily overdraft debit balance. Such loans, area demand loans. The facility can be cancelled at any time by the lender at its discretion without any warning notice or explanation. If the overdraft is secured by an asset or property, ये बेटा बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर आपको ओवरड्राफ्ट फैसिलिटी मिली है उसके बदले आपने कोई एसेट्स और प्रॉपर्टी गिरवी रखी है, the lender has the right to foreclose on the collateral in case the account holder does not pay or the borrower's credit rating fails or the lender has reason to believe the borrower may go into default or borrower has not revolved the overdraft in a satisfactory manner and has turned it into a hardcore debt. Beta, an overdraft is approved only for a fixed period, usually 1 year, after which it must be recognized. तो बेटा overdraft facility जो है, it is a facility given by the bank to its customer. So that's all for today. Thank you बेटा.